Hi food lovers, can you believe this banana bread is made with just three ingredients? Yes, only bananas, eggs and flour. It's soft, moist and super easy. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned baker, this recipe will never fail. Today I'll take you step by step through the process, share tips to make it perfect every time, and show you how to make it look beautiful for serving. Let's get started. So what are the magical ingredients? We have some ripe bananas. I'm going to use some eggs, 2 eggs, and self-raising flour. Now if you do not have self-raising flour, don't worry, you can use cake flour plus 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Works just the same, okay? And if you want to get creative, you can add some vanilla, chocolate chips, nuts for texture, okay? Start with your bananas. The riper, the better. Now those pulps mean natural sweetness. So I'm going to mash them well with my fork. If you have a masher, you can use that. This step is important because you do not want big banana chunks left behind. Okay, so this is what we want to achieve. You see how beautiful it looks. So next we crack in our eggs, add vanilla essence, and then mix everything together until it is fully combined. Now it's time for us to sift our flour into the banana mixture. We will do that, fold it in until everything comes up beautifully. Now the trick here is not to overmix. Overmixing makes the bread tough, so just stir until the flour disappears, okay? And a little lumpiness is fine, it will bake out neatly for you. Now our mixture is ready, so I'll go ahead and line my loaf pan with a parchment paper. You can as well grease it, okay? So at this point our pan is ready, so I'm going to go in with the batter. I'll pour it in, smooth the top a little, and into the oven it goes. Now if you are adding extras like chocolate chips or peanuts, this is the time to sprinkle a few on top, okay? And then we'll bake this at 175 degrees C or 350 F for 40 to 45 minutes. So I was already preheating my oven, so I'm going to put that there. I baked this for 45 minutes, but depending on your oven, you have to be checking on it from time to time. So after 45 minutes, here we are. So I have to test if it's properly cooked. So I inserted a toothpick and it came out neatly, just like this, which is an indication that our banana bread is well cooked or baked. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. Oh guys, look at that. It's firm on the outside but soft and fluffy inside. Guys, how is this looking? So see how moist and tender that crumb is. That's exactly what you want from banana bread. So guys, I left this for it to cool for about 10 minutes before putting it on my chopping board. Yes, so guys, look at this. How do you see this, guys? It came out neatly and nice. It's full of flavor. You could taste the banana in there. So guys, let me know whether you are going to try this out. So for presentation purposes, you can just slice 2 or 3 pieces, add a couple of ripe bananas on the side, maybe a sprinkle of powdered sugar, and it will look bakery ready. So if you are serving this to guests, a drizzle of honey or melted chocolate makes it extra special. Guys, look at this. Just look at the inside. So it's so soft, and to think it's only took 3 ingredients. You can enjoy this as breakfast, a snack, or a dessert. So if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how it turned out and what extras you added. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more recipes, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any recipe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.